Okay,
And we're waiting for a train. We're waiting for a train to come into the platform.
okay.
If you want to set that up, we can.
So go ahead and let me just do a little bit more background noise.
Okay, so right now we are standing at the airport platform in Boston, Mass, and we are facing the 917 signal. We are in an unoccupied status where the signal is clear, it is green clear, the trippers are down, allowing train passage. We are waiting on the platform for a train to come in, and when the train comes in, we're going to go through the cycle of seeing the signal go from red and the trip arm come up, and then we're going to watch the whole process as the train goes down until we get safe braking distance and the signal becomes green again.
The next Blue Line train to Wonderland is now arriving.
So we have a train that's going to be coming in on the approach. It's going to sit at the platform. As it goes through, we will watch the cycle of the signal going from green.
Rail up. Get a rail coming in.
It'll go to red, it'll go to yellow, and then back to green. The train is now coming into the platform. Train is now going to be approaching the 917 signal, heading into that territory, and we will see the signal change. And once the train gets completely through the circuit, we will see the trip arm come up to danger.
1247, casino signal. I'll set 1247.
Keep it there long enough. I want to see it get all the way back to green again. Now as the train is moving through the territory, the signal is going to go from red and it's going to go to yellow. Once it goes to yellow, the train stop will go down to the clear position.
Train arrives in 5 minutes.
This is how long it takes to get safe braking distance. Trip is going down, signal is yellow, and as the train moves through one more track circuit, the signal will now become green.
What department are we from? What department?
Signals. We got permission.
That's why I'm over here.
Okay.
You don't want to panic the trains. Everybody has a right of way card?
Yes. Thank you. So that's a long clearing block.